A recent research report by Pew suggested that only 14% of US adults actually use ChatGPT. ChatGPT had an upgrade recently and now it can browse the web through Bing to find real-time data. So most people don't know how to use this properly. That's why I'm making this video to give you 5 prompts to level up. First prompt that I use every day is to summarize the latest news. Here is the prompt. So this saves a lot of time as you don't have to do research. Second prompt is for finding a job. Research the current trends in the job market. You can insert any city or country you want. Include information about the fastest growing industries, job roles in high demand, and average salary changes. So as you can see, we inserted Dubai here and we got a complete overview of the state of the market, and it'll even give you the jobs that are like hot right now. The third prompt is writing an essay. This one is perfect for students because they need to cite their sources. And now you can write this prompt on ChatGPT, like write an essay highlighting the potential threats posed by AI and include credible sources with URL links. So basically, you can write an essay on any topic and ask it to include credible links with URL. So as you can see, it writes a pretty decent essay. It'll even give you sources so you can cite it. The next prompt that I use is buying a house. So here's the prompt. Research the current housing market trends in the city. I'm going to go with Austin, Texas. I'm interested in average prices, how long houses stay on the market, and whether it's currently a buyer's market or a seller's market. So sometimes sources are weird because you need to double check, but it'll give you like a good overview. Last prompt that I use every day is called research any topic. Here's the prompt. What are the latest developments in any topic? And I'll just use nuclear energy as an example. Can you find articles or papers from reputable sources and summarize the key points? As you can see, like takes a little time. It's not as fast as Google, but it'll give you very good results. Yeah, the only downside I see is it's a little bit slow, but I think in the future it's going to get much faster. And also I want to see how it compares to Bard, which is the Google's chatbot. To activate this feature, all you need to do is go into ChatGPT Plus settings, click on your beta features and turn on web browser. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching the video. I'm going to see you in the next one.